what are our three courses, Matt?
I'm doing some smoked scallops with a bit of wild garlic. I'm doing some lamb cutlets with beetroot, carrots, the lamb to be served on some smoked mash, followed by a pomegranate and raspberry mash and a little raspberry sabayon on the top. What I showed you last time was what I cook every day. This is to demonstrate a bit more breadth.
Has getting this far made you want this competition even more?
I think I can do a hell of a lot more, and hopefully you can see that and put me through.
Smoked scallop with wild garlic leaf. I mean, there's seriously big flavours there.
That's risky. Very, very strong indeed.
Then we've got lamb, but we seem to have smoking going on again, smoked potatoes, and we've got caramelised carrots. Now, there's three very difficult flavours to match up.
You've got 60 seconds. Step away from your benches. Your time is up. All done.
Matt is hoping to get off to the perfect start with smoked scallops and wild garlic.
That scallop is cooked to absolute perfection. The smokiness doesn't spoil the natural sweetness of the scallop, and there's a little hint of garlic in there as well. I love that.
Cool, thank you.
It's really interesting, it's original, it's brave to present it like that, and it's just glorious.
Will his second course of lamb with honey-glazed carrots, beetroot, smoked mashed potato and braised lettuce get a similar response?
This is also rather special. This is like your palates on a carousel ride. The flavours that keep coming in and out of your mouth. Incredible. Huh.
That slight smoke again that sits in the back of my palate with the rich, lovely lamb that goes in there, I think it tastes fantastic.
To finish, Matt has done a raspberry and pomegranate crush with a sabayon.
I think the rich flavour of the raspberry and the pomegranate with the sweetness of that topping is lovely, but it's a bit soupy. It's a bit watery,
Yep.
and I do feel as though I want to bite down on something and get some more texture in there.
This isn't a stunning pudding. It's tailed off a little bit towards the end.
Yep.
How much, Matt, honestly, do you really want this competition?
This is a career change, this is a lifestyle change, it's something I want for myself. It means the world, yeah.
Matt, incredible cook. You know, scallops and their shell, and that's all there was, with a little bit of wild garlic leaf, and I thought, you know, this better be special.
They were just sensational. The smoked scallops, firm but yet beautifully smoked, with just a touch of sweet smoke. And then the richness of the wild garlic just sitting on top of them with a little bit of butter.
I've never had a flavour experience like that.
The main course, I thought it must need a sauce. It didn't. It just ate really, really well. It was all soft and crunchy and wonderfully textured and beautifully flavoured.
Crying out loud, the flavours. I mean, I put it in my mouth and I thought, oh my word.
And then the dessert, washed, cleaned my palate off and got rid of that smoke. But that's actually all it did.
It was too wet. It just couldn't live up to the specialness of the two courses that preceded it.
Emotionally, it means an awful lot to me. I want to work in food. The semi-finals would pretty much get me there, I think.
We have made a decision. Our semi-finalist is Matt. Congratulations.
Oh, no. Good luck.